You want to do something? You can be mistake. I'm happy because it's still Instagram is following continue.
Huh?
It's still in Instagram.
Instagram?
Oh yeah, it's still following continue.
For what?
Follow me like I wake up this
Oh.
morning and I found the third.
Still many people keep
Yeah.
following.
36 people is people
Oh,
more than
you're famous.
yeah no
I can't book you next time because you are full.
no it's okay because like normally when you can book like the one month before or like the 2 months before and then yeah and also I
Is
already
it okay to put here?
of course why not and also already we did it and so you are my priority